Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. I'm gonna go ahead and be installing the JDM emblems today. What you're gonna need for this install is a screwdriver and a hammer. This, of course, guys, is the easy way. Of course, I'm replacing the emblems, so I really don't care breaking this off. So the two pegs are located in this area here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna stick in the screwdriver in this area here, and you're just gonna bang it with the hammer until the peg breaks. Same thing on the other side. I already went ahead and I did this, so I just want to show you guys how it looks. So the pegs are broken off. Kind of scuffed this a little bit here, but this is not a problem because 3M is going over this on the new emblem. So basically this is how it looks with the broken pegs off, and this is where the new one is. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this one in there, and we'll take it from there. Alright guys, so this is how it's already on. I went ahead and I added this to create pressure and so that the 3M adhesive adheres to the actual bumper. I had to went ahead and break the pegs off of the front one. We're going to go ahead and work on the one on the back, but it's the same concept. We're going to go ahead and do the breaking off the pins with a screwdriver and a hammer. Just that on the back we're going to use a microfiber towel just to prevent any scratches on the actual paint. So this is how you would leave it. I'm gonna leave it for a couple hours just so that it can go ahead and adhere to the bumper and it sticks on. So let's go ahead and go to the back now. Alright guys, so same concept here. I'm using a microfiber towel covering the flathead screwdriver. You're gonna get in from the sides. The pins are on this side right here. I went ahead and I already did it myself, but you want to get in from the top area or on the side, and you just go in, shove it in, and wiggle the screwdriver until it snaps off. So you guys can see how this looks. On this one, the pegs didn't break off, but the inside pressure clips are the ones that basically break off and fall off. So that's how it is. So we're gonna go ahead and try the JDM ones now and see how it looks. Alright guys, so what you're going to do is go ahead and peel off the 3M red ribbon from the back, and for better, so that it sticks better or adheres better, you're going to go ahead and heat up the 3M adhesive, and you're going to go ahead and put in the emblem, and then just do pressure just like I did on the front. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off, heat it up, and I'm going to go ahead and place it. So this is what we did on the back. The pegs on this one fits right through. So went ahead and I put it, doesn't get secured, so the 3M is the one that's holding it down. These are the location points of where I put the tape. You basically put pressure on it and slide up so that that pressure stays on the emblem. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these tapes and show you the final product. Alright guys, there you have it. So here's the front after it's done. I think it looks real nice. Gives it a little different look, makes it stand out more, and that's what I want. I want to stand out in the crowd, be a little bit different. There's other people who have this setup, and I really like it. So that's for the front. I'm go ahead and show you the back now. Alright guys, there you have it. This is the rear emblem. Gives it a nice clean look, matches with the back tail lights, and the whole concept with the diffuser and side wing. So I think it looks really nice. Let me know what you guys think. As always guys, like, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and leave your comments below if you have any questions, and I'll go ahead and get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.